I'm going to show you how to fold your Sinamay. So taking your piece of Sinamay, what you need to do is fold it in half this way. And then just press firmly so that you actually make a crease that you can follow. Open it back out and then fold the bottom edge up to that middle fold. Oops, as I say, it's a bit wobbly, it's a bit fiddly because it's very open weave. There we go, we've done that. And then bring that edge into the middle as well. So they should just meet. Make that nice firm fold. Then what you want to do is fold it in half this way round and open it back out and then fold that up to meet the middle and then fold this end in to meet the middle. And then if you fold it back in half, what you should have then is a lovely neat square. And you do all that folding really so that you don't have any raw edges showing. So this side is the side that is actually going to be facing the front. So when you have decided exactly where you're going to position your piece of Sinamay onto the headband, what you need to do is open that out, put some glue this side and press your hairband into that glue. Then put a little bit more glue here and shut that up. And what that is now is ready to attach your feathers. So your feathers get attached here so that they're poking out the back. And when you've done that, you put a little bit more glue gun glue on there and fold that over. So the feathers will be sticking out here and you're then ready to attach your flower. So that's how it's done. And then you've got that neat edge facing forwards.